involved, Dan, in achieving these beautiful finishes that we've got?
So we take the stainless steel tap and that's sent in small numbers to a UK company for a PVD finish to be applied.
So it's all still within the UK, and it sounds like when you say small numbers, it's almost like custom ordered. So you order the, the colour you want, and then you're doing that in small batches.
They're more or less made to order with the finish because
Wonderful.
it's quite time consuming and there's so many quality checks that the tap then goes through to get it just right before it's sent out to the customer.
Yeah, and that's what Kettle's all about, is a quality finish, and you'd rather not send a tap out unless it's A1. You check it and you check it again, don't you?
Absolutely, yeah. It's checked before it goes out for finishing. When it comes back, it's also checked again. And if it's not good enough, we won't send it.
Yeah, and in terms of robustness, I know this is very different to other types of taps that I've seen out there where they're kind of brass plated. This is nothing like that whatsoever, is it?
That's right. So the PVD process is a metallic transfer of the colour onto the stainless steel, and it's incredibly robust. You're right.
Yeah.
It's used in applications for surgical tools, for example.
Oh, okay.
Where you can't have any errors with that.
No.
And then also some Swiss watches use it on the links and the components within the wristwatches.
So it's a quality way of producing the colour within the stainless steel itself.
Yes, and we've done that deliberately to make it as robust as possible.
Yeah, and it shows. It looks amazing.
Yeah.